Buck's got issues, but we'll work that out. This is a project. There we go. Okay, we're here. You clicked in the thumbnail. You know what this video is about. I know I don't need any more projects, but it's a good deal. So let's go check it out and see what we're going to get. Okay, so things are looking good. He likes what I got. I like what he's got. We're going to show you what it is. There is my next bad decision. I mean, oh, this is, I don't know what I'm getting myself into here. Let me shut this so you get the full effect. Right there. Now that's a matter of choice, preference. I think I'm going to change that out. That's going to have to go. But I've been wanting a old truck like I used to have. I used to have an 89 Silverado. I've been wanting another one of these trucks for quite a while. And this, don't get me wrong, this thing is beat. But this is what I want. I want something that I don't care about. I don't care if I mess it up. I bump into something. I want to bumper a car. I want to make a run to the parts store. You know, I want to just do what I'm going to do and not care. And this is it. And this thing is, oh, and here's another perk. It's a manual. So, it used to be a, probably a V6. I don't think they ever came with manuals, V8s. So, there it is. My potential new parts getter, ratty muscle, parts truck, whatever you want to call it, shop truck. There it is. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so here's the deal. We've got a slight hiccup. You see, the deal is I was going to get that truck, that part truck. That's Jeff and Bob and Travis, by the way. And we're having a slight issue with the finding the title for that. So, but we're going to get that worked out. So, on hold for just a second. We're going to fire it up here in a minute. And this is, by the way, this is Travis. He's also another local YouTuber. So yep. He's got his own channel. You want to tell me your channel, please?
NightChasers.
Hey, and you do?
Well, I just mess with a bunch of crappy stuff.
Yep.
I got quads and
car shenanigans,
lawnmowers and
fun stuff, boats. You name it. If it has a motor, yeah, Travis is messing with it.
I just like to have fun and record it while I'm doing it.
Yeah, usually Bob and Jeff are along for the ride and the shenanigans.
Yeah, they're like my sidekicks. What would you call that?
Travis and the
his crew.
Sidekick?
Travis and the Colburns.
The Colburns, Bob Colburn.
Okay, so there it is. That's NightChasers. We're gonna fire up Buck. That he's named this truck Buff, and I like the name. I'm gonna keep it. Maybe we'll call it Old Buck or Bucky. Well, it's gonna be more of a shop-ish truck for me. But so we're gonna pull start right now. So we're gonna pull start it, fire it up, and give you a clip of it. This ignorant exhaust has got on it, and then we'll get back to you later. Okay, here we go. Set up.
I don't think it'll do it. It's in gear.
It's in gear?
You're trying to push it in gear, brother.
Oh, there we go. We're rolling. Here we go, guys. She's moving. Well, he's moving. Buck. See that? The blower just did a burnout. Oh, he's alive. He's alive. There he is.
I can't believe it did that. You were barely moving.
You got it done, guys. Well, we gotta go catch up with him.
Oh no, it was like that. They like, you just dug into the dirt.
Well, there goes Buck. We'll catch up to him here in a second. Here we go. That thing's great.
Is it out of gas? Oh, it's probably
Out of gas, huh?
Of course. We gotta try to stay off her yard a little bit. Probably out of gas. I have gas for it. I like how you left the sawzall wheel that you used.
To be continued. Day 2, boys. Here we go. Fire up again. Here's Jeff. Gets over here. There. Okay, here we go. Mounted up, ready to rock and roll. Get some Buck the Truck twin hood muffler action. 3, 2, oh. Oh. Okay. Take 3. We'll try this again. Get some speed.
Oh, I got sand.
We'll be back after these messages.
This is so wild.
Now we're getting there. We're getting there, guys. What about my dust mask?
Yeah.
Just gotta film it. If it fires, it fires. We're going over here. Cutting through the woods, boys. Cut them off at the pass. Uh-oh. Looks like we got stuck back there.
I can't believe the mower's doing it.
The mower, yeah. Hey, I'm surprised the mower's doing
The
it.
mower's pushing over some
That mower's got some torque.
He's digging ruts.
Oh. You doing burnouts with the mower?
Yeah.
Need some NOS in that thing.
Little 20 shot.
Yeah, 420 shot.
Little 10 shot in the mower.
Yeah. Okay, this could be it, guys. Here we go. Oh, he's trying. He's trying. Part 77. Take 77. Ah, yeah. Getting my exercise in today. Getting your workout in today, Jeff?
Huh?
Did you get your workout in?
Yeah.
Chasing the truck around? That don't sound good. I think the mower might be in a little trouble there. We just need to cut across over here, Jeff. We're going like the wrong.
Yeah, we're walking back.
Okay, over here.
I think the truck needs more gas. Unless the fuel's sloshing too hard.
It might be. I mean, it's at an angle, so who knows? You only put like a gallon or so in it. Okay, I'm calling it. We heard it, Rod. Guys, we're good. We're good. We're good. We heard it run. We heard it run. We're good. It ran.
The truck doesn't run, it pisses me off.
You just ran like 3 laps around the yard.
That's cool, man. I heard it run. We'll work it out. I said I gotta come back anyway. There it is, guys. Buck the project truck. It ran. You saw it with your own eyes. Once. We got it.
Is that dead?
Like,
So.
Oh, it's real dead.
Dead, huh? Right, Bob?
yeah. Fuel pump not coming on. No fuel, no start.
Alright, well, we're going to wrap it up, guys.
Y'all just doing laps.
And we are out of here. To be continued.
Dude, you were moving. That was third gear. I was sometimes putting it in fourth, and then, like, right when I start moving in fourth, Bob's dumping it, and it's like.
Okay, take 1011. NightChasers is not going to let go. They're going to keep at it. We're going to get this thing fired back up one way or another. If I don't kill myself. Come on, Buck, you can do it. We ain't messing around now. Woohoo! There he goes. Success. Maximum ignorance. Maximum. Get you some of that. Hey Bob, give us a little bit of spin. He tried. There he goes. Buck, the future project truck, maybe. So, we'll get back to the rest of it in this video, hopefully. Wrap it up. Boom.
I think it's lean.
Buck's got issues, but we'll work that out. This is a project. There we go. There we go. I am amped. I'm ready to have another OBS truck. I don't know what I like about these trucks. Even the junkier ones, junkier the better. There we go. Ha ha ha.
Hey.
Back. A little bit of dust.
It's like, pull it between the trees. Yeah.
It's actually not that bad.
It's not bad. Just a cheap piece of crap.
I think, they're all sort of pieces of crap. It's just, beaters are beaters, but they're fun.
Where's he going?
I don't know. I thought he was parking it, but maybe we'll get some more dirt burnouts. What do you want to call them?
I don't know.
This is a great piece of land, though.
Yeah, it's fun enough where you can do stuff like this.
Oh, yeah.
No one cares. My neighbors are awesome.
Good neighbors are priceless.
Good neighbors. I have good neighbors. Well,
There it is. That's Buck. Hopefully mine very soon. We've got one little hiccup, and we'll get that hopefully taken care of. Get back to you here in a few. Okay, I need to stop saying okay. Well, I'm back over at NightChasers to pick up the trucks. They located the other title, and I think I beat them over here. The messages them said they were eating, so this is a good time to chat. Basically, what I wanted to tell you guys is I've been meaning to do like a collab or, you know, just work with another local channel or video with other people, you know, out and around other people, because, you know, pretty much up until this point it's just been me in my garage or in the, you know, my workshop. So I don't know if you can tell by the earlier clips, but I was a little nervous, and I needed to dial back the cheese just a little bit. So I mean come on. I gotta apologize for that one. I know it's NOS. So anyways, I don't know how much I'm gonna get filmed because it's starting to get late and dark. You know, it took a minute to locate the title, so we're gonna get this thing worked out. Actually, he's just pulling up right now, so I'm gonna let you go. Get back with you in a few. I might have to wrap this up tomorrow in the daylight back at my place. See you then. The deal's done. So far so good. We're loading up. We got a 2-for-1 going on, and hopefully we'll be back at my place in no time. Fun stuff, guys. Fun stuff.
Oh yeah.
We'll get her back. Buck. We made it back, but not without an issue. Yep. She blew out on us. Right in the back of the flatbed, you know, the stinger. So we had to stop and swap it off. Luckily, Travis gave me a spare right before we left. So I mean, that was perfect. Unluckily, I don't know if you can see that, Buck has tuner lugs, and I didn't have the lock, so I had to run back and get the lock. Luckily we weren't too far, so no big deal, but we got it done, got him back, he's here now. Awesome. Let me check him out here real quick. Like I said, Buck's the manual. Get in and out of the wind. And feels good. I'm glad to be sitting back in another OBS truck. Like I said, I had an '89 Silverado that I drove to heck and back for about 5 years. I mean, I drove down to Detroit in the middle of a snowstorm with ball tires, and you know, I got there for a job. So Buck can do half as good as that truck. I'm happy. Well, I don't expect any long trips out of Buck at this point, at least. Anyways, I just want to say thank you to NightChasers. I mean, it was just kind of like, you know, the stars aligned, everything was right. You know, I had some stuff he wanted, you know, partial trade, and you know, it just happened to be he was moving and wanted to. He had to lighten up his fleet, but you know, that's his story to tell. So if you want to know more about, you know, the trade or what's going on with him, check out his channel. Otherwise, I think it's time to wrap this up. Well, maybe this is just the beginning. Let me know what you think. So there it is. This is Buck. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Keep it real. Comes with some bees. Time to evict these suckers.
Oh.
Here we go.
Flying off.
Yeah, they are not happy. Honestly, if your old car doesn't smell like bee spray, then it wasn't a beater.
Nope. They're falling. They're flying out. They're going. So that's cool.